Oh my God, that's bright. Good morning, vlog. Hello, look at our new cameraman today. Hello. Today, Lubbock.
Yeah, 4 games this morning.
Zach and I made the cut. It's gonna be 4 games and they're gonna cut from 24 to 16, and then 2 games they're gonna go from 16 to 8, and then 2 games and they're gonna go from 8 to 4. And Zach and I are about the same spot, like plus 310 or plus 320. We got a little bit of striking to do, but not too much. So hopefully one of us can get in this top 4.
Oh, it's gonna happen.
And you heard it here first. It's gonna happen. Intro, if you guys could run this number up over here to, like, you know, 50K or just 45,000 for the time being, but, you know, eventually like 50K, That helps us out a ton.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button.
Click subscribe. Let's get to bowling.
My guess.
Well, we got 2 more games here, and we're bowling for fun. We are. This format is not exactly friendly to those who don't murder it early.
You know what that means? There won't be no repeat.
So yeah, we're bowling 2 games for fun because I'm 80 back of 8th, and that's what they cut to after 2 games. So I'm gonna need at least 270, 250, and then that's not gonna be enough. This is not my block. I mean, we can't be mad. We can't be mad with how it went.
No, I'm quite happy with how today went. We got into the round of 16 and it was basically impossible to get to the round of 8, so I had fun.
Yeah, 4 games, then 2 games, and Nick without a shirt on again to end this video.
Hi.
Yeah, so 4 games I bowled like okay, and then the 2 games with the 4 games and then 2, I was 80 out of the cut with 2 to go, and we had so much room to make up. So with the scores being as high as they were, it was almost impossible. But can't complain. Another day, another cut, and we'll see you guys in Colorado.